Good morning, traders, and welcome to the smoothest live stream on the entire internet. My name is Lou Smooth. You can call me Smooth, and today is the day the Lord has made. And I'm joined here by my lovely wife, Mrs. Smooth.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Smooth. And we're going to try to make some money here with this NQ and maybe some gold trades, maybe some Bitcoin trades. We'll see what's going on here, guys. The market did have a fall last night. We'll go ahead and take a look at that right now and see if we can find ourselves a good direction. Johnny is in. I know he's in a couple trades right now. He was doing really well overnight, and he still has a short bias on, which is all the way down here to about 28,800. We'll see if that ends up hitting, and we'll see that in just a moment. Sorry, guys. Let me move over just a little bit. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. Start with the daily. See what the daily has been doing. Yeah, let's see what's going on here with this daily. All right, we're kind of breaking out of that wedge that we had here. So there's a chance that the market may want to still push up a little bit higher. Let's see, we did have this wedge here. We did break it down from it. Now, the only thing I'm worried about right now, because we are in a short currently, is that the market may try to possibly do something like this. Maybe come down like it did right now, and then maybe come back and retest these 29,600s, and then maybe do something like that and then fall. That's normally what it likes to do in these situations. So we are currently in a pretty big trade right now. And when I say big, I mean big stop, big TP. So hopefully it does hit our TP before going higher. But there's a good chance that it will come and retest this downward sloping, what is upward sloping trend line here. That's a little bit of a worry that I have on the daily. Let's go ahead and look at the 4 hour. 4 hours looking very treacherous for the bulls yesterday. And our red wave here is getting pretty thick, but we are kind of separated from it. So maybe come back in here, retest this red wave, come back down, maybe something like that. We have previous day's high up here at 29,950. We have the overnight high here at 29,590 or 29,570, so 60, somewhere in there. So there could be some levels here that the market may want to retest before coming back lower. And right now, bears are in control. Not much I will say. So any temporary pullback to the upside could lead us to get rejected at some point today. The 5 minute here on the NQ is showing us a little bit of resistance right now here at the VWAP. Also, these pink lines that you see here, these were levels of liquidity and supposed to be support maybe for longs yesterday. But as you can see, we kind of bounced on it once, twice, 3 times, and 4 times, and then on the 5th time they broke it down pretty violently. So this time around it should act as resistance and then maybe come back to the downside. That's what Johnny is holding out for here. Johnny is holding out for shorts down in the 28,800 region. Let me show you Johnny's trades overnight, or some of Johnny's trades overnight. Let me see if I can show you some of his trades. Let's see, starting at, this is yesterday's trades. Where are we? Okay. Yeah, this is not it. These are not the trades that he's in right now. But yeah, he is in a short trade right now, down to 28,800. We'll show you here real quick what his trades were. Yeah, these were his trades from last night. Looks like he was in from the open. He took a couple of trades here since the open. Yeah, so he took a short here, another short here. Both of them worked out. The third short here got stopped out. Small little short. Let me see here. Third short here got stopped out. This one here, the 2 ones in a row. The third one was stopped out. This one here was a long. I think he got stopped out on that. This one he was stopped out on, but then he went on a massive run. He's green right now. He's really green right now. Let me appeal my. See, it is not the music. I don't know what TikTok is talking about. Every day it says that I'm using replicated stuff, so it's not the music.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not the music.
No, they just don't like you.
They just don't like me. All right, then Johnny took this short here, nailed it. Took another short here, nailed it. And currently right now he's in the third short. And hopefully he knows that one too. Right now, the market is kind of moving a little bit higher, so we'll keep our eyes open for that. Let me go ahead and check out the ES and the rest of them. Let me see if I can fix this real quick. Where's my other chart? 1 second, guys. I just gotta fix this real quick. How do I, babe, with Safari, how do I get a one tab to go back into the old tab where it was before? I gotta drag, because I don't use Safari like that. No, I had to use Safari for the stream, but I can't get it to go back into its place. I can't get this to go back in here, because I know you like Safari. See, I can't get it to go back in there.
Oh my gosh, your mouse is fast. I don't know.
No.
Oh, right here?
No.
I don't know.
Okay, thanks. Empty tab group, new empty tab group, new group with this tab, new tab 1. I don't know. I messed it up. I'm gonna have to close that. I won't do that again. Give me a sec here, guys. Market's opening up here in a minute. What, babe?
I was saying maybe you should have double clicked.
I don't know. Maybe I have to look that up later with Gronk or something.
Okay.
Because I've been having that issue a lot. All right, cool. All right, let me get back to it now. All right, so that's the NQ. That is the NQ right now. Looking for some lower prices on the NQ. Market's opening up here in just a few moments. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets and see how they're faring. Mag 7 right now is looking like it wants to make a move for the higher, but this is the pre-market. SpaceX, which is now included in the Nasdaq, showing, it looks like a little bit of a rocket here. Shooting up here right before the open. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA has been on the climb. Looks pretty much like the NQ. Also has a downward target though. Let's see, look at Bitcoin. What has Bitcoin been doing? Bitcoin's been sloping back down. Looks like we may get a sell-off on Bitcoin. Was that the most accurate? Yeah, that was accurate. Let's look at oil. What's oil doing with all this drama over? Oh man, oil is ripping. We're up at 74 on oil now. Looks like it wants to go even higher. YM right now still hanging out around 52,600 right underneath the VWAP. Let's look at gold. Gold's just hanging around 40.80. Let's see what's up with gold. All right, still getting rejected by VWAP. And let's keep our eyes on the NQ here. Market is open. Market is ripping right now. Let's go ahead and take a look at both. We did get a pop here to the VWAP, crossing the VWAP up to 29,277. Let's see if she continues to the upside, or if now she may want to maybe start giving some of it back. Our invalidation level, Johnny gets stopped out here at 29,412. Hopefully we do not get to that level. This is Johnny's current trade. That's going to be a huge stop out if he does get stopped out. Sometimes those trades get pretty big. Hopefully he nails it though. So I'm say good morning, Mo. Good morning, Paul. What's up, Joey? Greg M. Joni, good morning. And all the rest of the crew here that might be joining us on mobile. Good morning to the Real Cinco. Good morning to everybody. Good morning. Good morning.
I like what Paul said. It was funny.
What Paul said? Repeat what he said, man.
Trading the DAX is like dating a German. Extremely efficient, brutally honest, and if you miss your entry, it punishes you immediately with no mercy.
Melanie might have something to say about that. She's German.
to say Paul's joke though.
Go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, Paul, by the way. I told my wife, sorry, good morning, traders. I told my wife that I wanted something shiny that went from 0 to 150 in under 3 seconds. She gave me a brand new bathroom scale.
That's good. That's a good one.
That was a good one.
That is a good one. For real.
For my husband, I'd probably give him sugar.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
All right, market is ripping right now. Hopefully Johnny doesn't get stopped out on this trade. This one would hurt. He'd get back all his profits from the overnight, and hopefully that doesn't happen. All right, let's see what's going on here. So we are taking out this previous week's low right here at 29,270. ES is not looking as strong right now. ES is a little bit more sideways than the NQ. NQ's got a little bit of a bounce to it. I'm pretty sure it's probably because of SpaceX right now making a big push. She's taking a pullback right now, though. SpaceX is taking a pullback. Let's look at NVIDIA. Ooh, NVIDIA's ripping right now. What is up with NVIDIA? I don't know. NVIDIA just had a ripper.
Excuse me.
Let's look at the stock heat map. See what is good today.
Hello, good morning. Can you hear me?
Right now, stock heat map shows that NVIDIA is pretty flat at the moment. Apple is also pretty flat. Looks like most of the market's still kind of red. Mixed bag here on the semiconductors.
Get off for a second. It's not working.
What's up, baby?
The stream recording is not working.
Let's go back to 30 cases, Joey. Yeah, maybe we will.
Well, yeah, your screen is not showing for some reason.
My screen?
No.
Oh.
Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you. I just can't see your screen at all. I don't know what's up with that.
All right. Let's see what ends up happening here this morning. Crossed over that VWAP pretty violently. Let's see if the market wants more down, or more up.
Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah, no, I said I could see it. Oh. Yeah, we're good.
All right, guys, we are pushing right now, but it looks like we could be having a little bit of a stall out here on the ES. ES is getting stalled out on what looks to be the anchored VWAP. This this yellow line here. Let me see if it actually is the anchored VWAP.
So fun.
No, these anchored VWAPs are all over the place. It shouldn't be there. It moves its location for some reason when you go down to the 1 minute. It's really weird. Anchored VWAP right now is sitting at 75.08. And I don't know if that's where we are.
Is it me or do I feel like today's a slow day?
Maybe. Yeah, the open's kind of choppy right now. So I don't know what they're doing. Do we have news today? That is a good question. Let me see if we have news. I don't think this is a slow news week. I don't think we have much today. We have FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. So maybe the market gives us a little bit of action and then kind of slows up right before 2. It is a red folder event, so if you guys are trading, some prop firms may not allow you to trade that. I think most of them are okay with it. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can break down below the VWAP once again. That would be a strong move here for the bears. Not seeing messages on my screen. What do you mean, Paul? What messages? Holding 327 level wall, says Joey. I still want to see longs. 327. Wouldn't be surprised if we dump here. It looks like they're holding pretty well here. I don't know if this is just chop solidation or if this is actually going to be a move higher, move lower. It's too early to tell. Really hard to tell here. All the ones on the right above the emotes. Do you understand what Paul's saying here, babe? He's saying that not seeing messages on my screen. All the ones to the right above the emotes.
Maybe it's the live you can't see. The live chats.
I don't know. That's weird. It's not chop. We just have massive resistance at 317, says Joey.
Yeah. Huh?
No, I was just reading something Joey said. What was that? He's what?
Maybe it's okay. Now I restarted the screen. Yeah, it's that he couldn't see the.
Oh, okay. He couldn't see something.
Yeah.
All right. You got
All
some.
I hear is Patty saying, "Who is that?"
Oh man, this is choppy. What an open here.
Funny. I do the same thing to Luna.
What an open. Market looks pretty pumpy though. I ain't gonna lie.
What I say to Luna is, I'm like, who's that?
Yeah. Market looks like it wants to go and take out some of these higher levels.
Oh. That's cute. Yeah. That's funny. That's cute though. Luna sometimes still falls for it, which is so funny. Yeah, it's funny. Oh, for those sorry people then. It's really rude to yawn. You do know that, right, babe?
What's that?
It's really It's really rude to yawn.
Then I must be the rudest person in the world because I stay yawning.
That's why every time we're at church and you keep yawning like 100 times, that's why I always tap you because I'm like, yo.
You need to knock it off, bro.
It's like you're insinuating they're boring. Yeah, for Lewis, it's his heartbeat steadying. Go ahead. Yeah, because he's not used to sitting down and like just listening. So every time he's sitting down and listening to something, I kid you not, it's like a music, like a tone, like a music tone is about what it's called, where you can just like, I could just be like and who's that guy that does the hand motions? What are they called?
What?
The guy.
Conductor?
Conduct. Patty said mime.
Mime.
The
Orchestrator? Conductor? What was that?
I'm sorry to snort.
Yeah, you snorter now? I've never heard you snort before.
Yeah, when it's really funny. Joey said gang members.
You sounded gang members. Yeah, you sounded
so
like Peppa
funny.
just now.
So, like every time he yawns, I kid you not, in my head, I'm being the conductor, and I'm just like, it's always on time.
Yeah. Gang members. Joey's looking for longs. I hope you caught the long, Joey. This long here looks really, really good.
So if you and Joey hung out one day, just one day, you guys would have your stomachs hurting.
Oh, yeah, I always have jokes.
Crack. It's so funny. Oh wait, I can't say that word. Sorry.
Crack?
Yeah, I can't. Right?
No, I'm pretty sure you could say crack.
Up.
You just can't say crack at the
Lewis and Joey, because Lewis is like sarcastic, and Joey's funny. So it's like
You
they were
can't-
together, they would make fun of everything, and then their stomachs would hurt
yeah.
because they're always trying to be funny.
You can't say crack at the chiropractor's office. That's where you can't say crack.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, Samara's online. Good morning.
Samara's here? What's up, Samara? How you doing? I owe you a phone call. I owe you the phone call, Samara.
From Culture.
Yes,
remember?
ma'am.
Actually, I don't think you guys ever saw each other.
They may have. They may have.
No, Patty doesn't remember.
Oh, okay. At the meetings, maybe. How you doing, Samara? How you doing on this fine day? How the kids? How's the Florida life?
Okay. Sorry.
Guys, we're just waiting here. See what the NQ is gonna do. It's been a pretty choppy open. I don't personally see anything right now worth really getting too excited about. It should be a decent day for trading. We do have some market movers around 2 p.m. today. We got the Fed minutes coming out, but those days are a little funky sometimes. It could be kind of a drag until 2.
I wonder if their ears are blowing up because I keep coughing like right on.
You keep coughing?
Like I'm always doing something on
Yeah.
the mic. There we go.
Yeah, that's not really. This open's kind of weird. If you guys are in longs, great job. Florida spectacular. That's awesome. I'm glad you like the Florida life. Florida's getting hit hard right now, from what I'm hearing. The real estate market in Florida is getting pretty heavy. We have more inventory than any other state in the country, and I think we lead the country in price reductions, and we lead the country in I think what is that? Motivated sellers. I found something on X about Florida. Florida's always the first one to go. Florida and Nevada, sometimes Texas, but right now we got Austin, Tampa, and I forget what other cities right now are getting hit the hardest with all the things I just spoke about. But yeah, it's not just limited to Florida. There's a couple other places too that's showing some weakness. But I'm not seeing it here in Naples. I guess we're in what they call a stubborn market in Naples.
Stubborn.
Yeah, stubborn market where I guess sellers are just stubborn and they do not want to like lower the prices too much. Miami's also in a stubborn market from what I hear. Miami is still very expensive. Say Johnny's about to get stopped out here soon, though. Poor Johnny. Giving back all his proceeds from overnight. Hopefully he gets saved.
Trump has been talking about Iran this morning, and the MOU is gone.
Let's take a look at what the news is. That's what Paul said. Can you speak up a little bit? I didn't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Paul says Trump has been talking about Iran this morning,
Mm-hmm.
and the MOU is gone. That's not the word he said, but I'm not gonna say it in case you get blocked out or something.
MOU?
MOU is gone, but he said DEAD.
Memorandum of Understanding?
Hmm?
The Memorandum of Understanding, is that the MOU?
Okay, the proper word that I'm trying to say is just that I use the word gone, but Patty just said it perfectly. She said the word is unalive.
Oh, okay.
Yes. He said the MOU is unalive.
Okay. I've received a report of further incident involving a tanker transiting the Strait of Hormuz. So yeah, there is some still drama going on there.
What the heck is MOU?
Oh, that was yesterday, wasn't it? That was yesterday. Memorandum of Understanding.
Lewis said it's memorandum of understanding.
We may take over Karg Island, says Trump. IMF leaves growth forecast for 2026 unchanged. There's really nothing going on. No news. Very slow market today.
Oh.
Slow news day. We gotta rely on Trump tweets today.
I feel like I've never met a president that tweets. Or wait, I forgot you can't say tweets. I thought it was.
Nah,
he X'd
people
it
still
or
say it.
something.
Post is what the people say now.
Yeah.
U.S. Secretary of Defense Hegseth tonight will hit deeper if we need to. And Iran, says Paul. My limit order at 328. The low of the pullback is at 329. So you have a long, Joey? Are you in a long or are you looking for a long at 328? Because you might get filled. I think you missed my long entry by 1 point. Oh, did it? Oof. That's not good. That's no bueno. Johnny's about to take it in the chin here. He's about to take it in the robot chin. Thanks for all the love over on TikTok. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for the like. Thank you, B. Appreciate you being here. Let me say hello to B. What's up, Genius? What's up, Michael? And Alpha Ren. Welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are all doing good, making some money today. Oh, here comes Joey's limit order about to be filled. Joey, you about to get filled, bro. Just in, Apple to invest $30 billion in U.S. chip manufacturing. Oh, that should boost this market this morning. What's going on, B? All right. Wow, Johnny's little chin might be saved.
Go, Johnny, go.
I don't know. I'm not too sure.
Am I talking low or something?
You always talk low, baby. We just got 100-point pullback.
He doesn't even hesitate.
Yeah. Maybe you'll believe the chat if they tell you.
I don't know. I believe you. I'm just like, dang.
You don't like this candle, John?
It's supposed to be loud because of my nationality.
Yeah, you're supposed to be loud. Joey, did you take your limit order off, or are you in the long?
What's a limit order?
A limit order is when you place an order and wait for it to get filled. So, for instance, if I want to get filled at, let's say, 29,100, I would put a limit buy order there and wait for the price to come back and fill me at that order. A market order is when you don't care what price you get filled at, you just want it now.
Okay.
You understand the difference?
Yeah.
So a limit order is kind of like ordering on Amazon and waiting for it to come to you. And a market order is like, all right, I'm going to TJ Maxx right now. I'm buying it right now. You understand?
I like how
You like
yeah.
that, right? See,
Yeah,
guys, that one's free. The next one I have to charge. These analogies is coming off the head, out the top of the head. These metaphors are just flowing. I got the gift. Some people say I'm kind of like, Jesus in a way, where I just make it easy for people to understand. I'm just kidding. Jesus was the king of metaphors.
I do think he's very metaphorical.
I mean, that's how we explained it to people because they were so
I
dumb
told-
back then because they didn't have ChatGPT.
But that's the thing, though. I told my dad reads the Bible every morning. Every morning. He doesn't
Yeah.
miss a beat, even while he's on vacation.
Yeah.
And I'll tell him, like, God speaks in metaphors. He's like, no, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. And
Parables is what they called it, but yeah.
Yeah, so I gave him a Bible verse, and I think it was Corinthians, and it was talking about marriage. No, it was Ephesians, and I was like, this is a metaphor. It doesn't mean like treat the church and stuff like that. It means like be gentle, be respectful, love, kind of thing. He's like, that's not a metaphor. I'm like, yes, it is, Dad.
Yeah.
My dad's old school. He's very old school.
Yeah.
And you gotta like jot it down.
Yeah, when Jesus spoke and when Jesus taught, he talked in parables.
Yeah.
It's how people understand through stories. It's through storytelling.
Because, yeah, things were misconstrued back then. Like, I believe they said, when they said the man is the head of the household, it doesn't mean that he's, like, he's rough, he's aggressive, he's, like
like
you
an
can't
overseer.
do this. Like, he's not your parent, he's your husband, which is still a partner. When he means head of the household, it means you trust him. You trust the direction he's going to go in.
Yeah.
But back then, men thought it was, I'm going to beat my wife. She better listen to what I say. Exactly, Patty. Like she said, literal. No, it's nothing of what he meant. That's aggressive. That's nasty. It's nothing of God. So
What do you tell a lady?
Metaphorical?
No, what do you tell a woman with two black eyes? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna say that joke.
Wait. Patty told me that I said metaphorical funny the first time.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I did feel that too. What were you saying, babe?
Now Paul will tell you the rest of that joke.
What
do you tell a woman with two black eyes? I'm not gonna say it though. Paul will tell you. I'm just kidding. It's a stupid joke.
I don't get it.
It's a
put
really
some
bad.
makeup on? I don't know.
Yeah, put some makeup on. That's it. Get a hold of yourself. Get a grip. All right, what is chop session this morning? Whoa. Said chop,
Patty was
chop.
showing me in the around 4 a.m. Thing went down.
Yeah, I
on
showed
the
you.
1 minute.
Yeah. Johnny took advantage of all that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. On a bunch of different accounts.
The drop that happened at 4:30 that you showed me. Lewis told me that Johnny took advantage of that.
Right now he's struggling to maintain his trade now.
But that's what I mean, like, amen. For real. I was gonna say, now I feel like it's going sideways again. Or is it me?
What? You think it's
going?
not?
Okay, it's going sideways.
It is going sideways. Very good observation.
And slow.
And slow too. Good. Nothing gets past you, babe. I'm gonna hire you as my quant.
Your what?
My quant analysis. You're a scientific, basically PhD in computer science and mathematical algebraic. Basically, a very smart nerd that knows how the markets are going to move and creates algorithms to kind of take advantage of that. That's what you're going to be, my quant.
Thanks, Ben. Thank you. Joey said, I like my women how I like my coffee, highly valued in the workplace.
In the world place?
Oh, he rephrased it and said workplace.
Workplace. Oh, okay.
Good,
Joey. Yeah, Joey's trying to earn some brownie points here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who's on stream. He's trying to. Is Tori on stream? Tori, are you here? I like my women I like my coffee, hot, strong, and capable of keeping me up all night.
Amen.
You guys are crazy, man. Where you guys get these jokes? Did you guys go to school for that?
Yeah, for real.
For
How
dad
do you guys
jokes?
come up with these jokes?
Did you go to school for dad jokes?
Because I kid you not, it takes me like a millennium to just come up with one. And my kids don't even think it's funny. That's just so crazy.
I remember one day somebody was like, "What did you do to get so funny?" And I was like, "Your mom." That's an old joke too. That's a real old joke.
What did you do to get this funny? Your mom?
Huh? Your mom.
It's funny, they said a lot and you just said 2 words. That's it. That's
When
all
I
it
see
takes.
Joey says when he sees Tori, it's not going to be a friendly interaction. What did she do to you, Joey? Did she break your heart? A little muskrat heart? A little Persian cat heart?
Can you stop with the Persian cat?
That's the only kind of cat that I
Please?
know. That's the only kind of cat that I know now.
It's something about Love Island, if I'm being honest with you. It's just, goodness. This girl, she comes out and she starts saying, "I'm not a cat, I'm a Persian cat." She's beautiful, don't get me wrong, gorgeous. She's called a, she's like a she's not really a bombshell, she's kind of like from Casa Amor. So I don't know if they're considered bombshells. Yeah. So it's been, how would you say it? I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, this market is doing nothing.
No, I'm just saying, like, you haven't gotten that, because it's catchy what she said, I'm not a cat, I'm a Persian cat.
Yeah.
But you just won't stop saying it. Watch the girls say that now. I'm not a cat. I'm a Persian cat.
What's up, Armanda? Good morning to you.
Oh, good
Greetings
morning.
from Germany. Hope everyone is good. Good to see you, Mrs. Smooth. Okay. How are you gonna sell a course for 5,000? It's not 5 anymore. I think it's more now. And all you have to offer is a line. I mean, yeah. I mean, if that line can make you 5,000, why not, Joey?
Oh, I would love to go to Germany, by the way.
Germany?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I heard it's nice.
Yeah.
I heard they like Americans in Germany for some reason.
That's what I heard too.
Good morning, songs by Twana.
That Germans really like when we visit the U.S. I mean, when we visit this brain. Yeah.
I don't even think they like Americans in America. Her mom's on holiday.
Yeah. Patty was saying that everybody likes when U.S. visits them, except for France, which is true.
Yeah, I heard French hate
That
the
is very
Americans.
true. They don't like Americans. Yeah, it's true. But I would really like to visit that in Germany and I know you said Greece one day, babe.
Italy's really nice. I heard the whole
My
Amalfi
sister-
Coast.
Yeah, my sister went to Italy and the food is like exceptional.
Is very good.
Oh, is your anniversary today? Oh my goodness, it's John and Patty's anniversary, 10 years.
That's good. Congratulations, Patty.
Oh my goodness. I was gonna say, who said it first?
Romana says, I don't know any Germans that like Americans. Oh, that's hilarious.
What happened?
Romana says, I don't know any Germans that like Americans. My buddy was in the military, and he told me when he'd go to Germany, and we were stationed in Germany, he said the German, well, let me be honest, he said the German girls loved Americans. I don't know about the German men, but the German girls, he said, loved Americans. Don't ask me how he
good
knew.
that I'm Canadian.
That's good. Yeah, don't pull out your American passport when you're in Germany. Das is no good.
Babe, really?
Yeah,
Arnold
my
Schwarzenegger?
that's my German accent.
Babe, that's not your German accent. You sound like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Like, are you for real? Okay, so you get close enough. Patty said he's from Austria? Is
Yeah.
that what you said, Patty?
Huh? Austria? Yeah, Arnold's from Austria, babe.
Yeah.
He's not German.
So she's like, close enough.
Paul says, the women I meet are like cars, fast, expensive to maintain, and they look incredible from behind. Wide body, huh? Miss Tawana says, they do love their women, especially women of color. Okay. The Germans? I love
I've
German
heard
food.
that
German
too,
food's pretty good. They have the best pretzels ever.
For real?
Germans have the best pretzels, man. You didn't know? Oh, your pretzel game is low, babe. I thought
I
you
was
knew.
going to ask you, who made pretzels? Like, what country? Because I know...
I think the word pretzel is a
hamburgers
German
came-
word.
Huh?
I think the word pretzel is like a German word, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, what's I going to say? By the way, don't say that word that Joey said. I don't want to get banned.
We don't want to get banned. We talk about
Telling
sensitive
you,
topics.
We have to filter so many words because, again, everything is so sensitive nowadays.
Yeah.
So
People
the
have
pretzels come
meltdowns.
from Germany?
I think pretzel is a German word, if I'm not mistaken.
Didn't hamburgers come from...
Hamburg.
Yeah, Hamburg?
That's what I've been told. The myth says that they came from Hamburg.
Oh, Hermana says it's from
Bavaria.
Never heard of them, I swear.
So is Bavaria like a city in Germany? I think that's what he's saying.
Bavaria?
Like Bavarian chocolate. You ever heard of Bavarian chocolate? I guess they're known for their chocolate and their pretzels.
No.
No? Oh, you're probably still in Colombia when
See,
that came
every
out.
day, I'm not even Colombian. Like, again, you learn.
It's a
something
state from
new every
Germany.
day.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, Romana said it's a state from Germany. See, I'd be killing it right now if I was on Jeopardy.
Oktoberfest.
Oktoberfest is when we need to go. That's when they have beer from like all over Germany and pretzels and brats. They love sausage and pretzels there and mustard. market.
Oh, there's this thing that my brother-in-law had us eat in Texas. It's called kolaches.
Kolaches.
It's like basically a hot dog.
And a
instead of
croissant had a baby.
Yeah, like a croissant had a baby, exactly. It is the most delicious thing. Oh my goodness. Don't get me wrong.
Anybody here from Houston area, Texas?
Yes.
You guys know what she's talking about?
Yeah, hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about.
It's like a Houston thing, from what I was told.
Yeah, it's very popular. It's Texas, from Texas, Houston. My brother-in-law, when we went there, I'm not gonna lie, he's so generous, but like he would buy us one every day. We wanted something, it'd be back in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
With a whole variety of it.
Yeah. And I got addicted to the kolaches, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss it. But you would put mustard and ketchup on it. So good. So good.
Joey didn't just make the move. Joey said, I bet I would be profitable if I was living in Miami right now. All those BBLs would motivate me for sure. Yeah, and post it up on your wall, man. Make it a goal.
Yeah.
Put a picture of Kim on your wall. Paul says they have real sauerkraut in Germany. Yeah, I bet they do. I love some sauerkraut. Armana says he had some real German food yesterday. Imagine if you go to Germany and you eat McDonald's. That would be like sacrilegious. That would not be good.
I heard that McDonald's in other countries is so different, and apparently it's better than the U.S.
Just like TikTok. They're trying to kill us here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure. Imagine if you went to Germany and ate at McDonald's. Like, you'd be tarred and feathered if you did that. Or like Italy. Imagine if you went to Italy and you ate at McDonald's or like Chick-fil-A.
What was that word you said?
Tarred and feathered.
Oh, okay.
You can get beer at McDonald's, he said. Armana said.
Yeah, I heard that too.
You can get spam at McDonald's at Hawaii. That's a thing.
I mean, I personally wouldn't like beer with McDonald's.
A beer and a Big Mac? No?
Yeah, that doesn't. I don't see how that would
Not a
taste
smoke and a
good.
pancake?
Austin Powers much? Is 18 the legal drinking age in Germany? I heard it's earlier. Yeah, I heard it's younger. Exact.
16.
Armana said 16. That's what I thought too.
In France, is like your kids like 10 years old are drinking wine at the dinner table.
I mean,
Oh wow, a little pop here on the NQ.
Not bad.
Nothing happening here on the NQ besides the Sideways show. Sideways and teasing poor Johnny here with a stop out. That's about all we got going on right now. It is 10 o'clock now. We got a new hour upon us, and there's still nothing but chop. Slight pullback, but who knows? What about cigarettes? Yeah, I think they smoke a lot of cigarettes in France, if I'm not mistaken.
In France, yeah.
Well, they used to, at least back in the 80s, but I don't know about now.
I saw the show Emily in Paris, and I kid you not, too many smoking over there. Like, respectfully, I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but it's just too much cigarettes in a lot of episodes. But she's living in France. That's the point of Emily in France.
Yeah.
In Paris. Irmana says for cigarettes it's 18. Oh, he doesn't know, but he thinks it's 18. Oh, really?
That's weird. You could get hammered at 16, but
That's what I was thinking.
you want to smoke a cigarette, you gotta wait till you're 18. Trump said that they might hit Iran hard again tonight. Yeah, I was reading that, Darlock. Thanks for bringing that up. I was reading that earlier.
Let me Google it real quick. Because the governor, it's so funny though. He said kids can't have social media until age 16.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Don't get me wrong, I'm sure a lot of kids lie about their age when they sign up to these social media things.
Yeah, but at least they're making an effort.
But at least he's making an effort. Yeah, in Florida, he banned any kids under the age of 16, having social media. Yeah, but don't get me wrong, kids are gonna lie. I'm not honest.
Yeah. Alright, what do we got here, guys? Chop suey so far. We got chop suey galore.
Oh, here you still have to be 21 to get tobacco. Yeah.
Gold's getting a pullback right now. NQ's just going sideways. Man, this is quite an emotional open. It's kind of sideways.
Good morning, Barlock. He says Trump said they might hit Iran hard again tonight. I wish there was less war, if I'm being honest. But I think that's what everybody wishes. Because every time there's a war, there's someone passing away.
Mo says to Joey, Trump says disobedience will be punished. Keep that in mind, Joey.
I mean, it's true. Disobedience is punishment.
Mo's always trying to get Joey to obey him. That's why he's saying that.
That's funny.
You gonna go jump in the pool, Armana? It's the summertime there. Oh, have fun, brother.
It's good.
Yeah, this chop is pretty choppy, Joey. Good observation.
Bye, Armana. Have fun.
So this is the open we were blessed with. This is amazing. Seems like Wall Street's on vacation, because this is really not the PA that we expected here at the open.
That's so funny. Joey says, "You obey me, Mo." Yep, there is a so fun chop.
Yeah. This chop is out of this world. Grade A chop.
What are you doing?
One idea I had this morning was that the NQ might be trying to rip to the upside to around maybe the 600s to retest the upward sloping trend line, but it doesn't have to do that. But that's what an inclination I was getting, is that it may want to try that first. It's funny is that I'm not even surprised. I'm not saying, I don't know if surprised is the right word, but yeah, I'm not shocked that the market is just sideways right now. Like, it's been a while since we have an open like this, so it's about time to turn on this algorithm.
Yeah, I agree with Darlock. This market has been choppy for a while.
Yeah, it's in a wedge right now on a daily, so yeah, it's not trending. So the small time frames are not going to trend either that well. Joey's telling Mo to go long. Are you long or short, Mo? Okay, nice pullback.
This thing is having its time.
Long at 320 confirmed, says Mo. Mo went long at 320. Okay. No real follow through. Yeah, I noticed that last few days, Darluck. The follow through is like non-existent. You had to listen to Joey, Mo. You couldn't take it anymore. Can easily get faked out both ways. Yeah, that's true. What's up, Thomas Otto? How you doing? Not to be mistaken with Tommaso. And Thomas Otto, he's in Germany too, right? I think he said. Mm-hmm. Thomas Otto said he's from Germany too, right?
I think so.
Yeah, I think he said he's from Germany. Arman is in Germany right now. We were just talking about how Germans love Americans. I'm leading the example so Joey learns how to obey. That was a good one.
Yeah.
So we are getting a little bit of a pullback here. Maybe we get a stronger move once we cross back under the VWAP. Okay, we got a new sub. Oh, we got a gift. Oh, no, we got gifted a bunch of memberships by Mo. Oh, Mo, thank you so much, brother. Really appreciate you, brother.
Wow.
Yeah, you're very generous of you, man. You don't have to do that, brother, but we always appreciate it when you do. So Mo gifted 20 memberships. So if you received a membership from Mo, please make sure to give him a warm thank you in the chat. And send him a care package to Canada. Thanks, Mo. You're the best, brother.
That's really sweet.
Joey got a gift membership? Oh, man, Joey. Look at that. If you guys got a gift membership from Mo, just know that you can go over to our Discord and you can you can participate in our live trading community. A lot of the guys trade there before in the pre-market and after I'm done here, and sometimes even throughout the time that I'm trading here, they're there as well. So if you want to be with a group of guys that can kind of motivate you or kind of lead you in the right direction, and guys who have been making pretty serious money, guys like Sam B, Armana, Mike Ram, guys in there are good traders. Who's German?
How come I never knew Patty was half German?
She's half German?
I never knew that.
I thought she was Irish.
Irish I knew. Irish, German, and Scandinavian. And Scottish.
Oh, wow. She's a Scandinavian mutt.
Okay, that was a lot. I could not remember. But my goodness gracious.
Did she get one of those genetic things done, like a 23andMe or something? I mean, seriously.
Did you ever get those? Is it called like Ancestry or DNA?
Ancestry.com? No, that's like your family tree, I think. But like
yeah.
a 23andMe is like to find out what your genetic makeup is.
Yeah, babe, she took a test.
Oh, that's cool. I've been meaning to do one of those. People do that for their dogs, to find out what their dogs are. People have so much money.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If I do it, I already know I'm gonna be from some type of Spaniard, because my mom's side of the family, from my dad's side, but from my mom's side, like every one of my mom's side family members are all very white based, like they're very light skinned. And I swear when my mom tans, she turns red. She doesn't even turn like darker, which is so fun. Exactly. So I know from my mom's side, I'd be from like a Spain type of thing, but from my dad's, I'd be like some type of African or something like that. So that's what I said though. It's so funny.
Smells dumpy, says Joey.
Oh, Joey says smells dumpy.
Something's getting dumpy, says Joey.
And it's not the toilet, if you know what I mean.
Not the toilet.
See, I'm trying to be funny.
You're very funny, babe.
You're funny, babe. Thanks.
No. Keeping it real.
That's not true.
Keeping it real.
I try to say jokes and stuff. So Joey said, smells dumpy. And I was like, and say, yeah, but not from the toilet. But it's not. It's really not funny. I know.
It's funny, babe. It's funny. You know what's funny is the fact that... Yeah, no, it's funny. It's funny.
Patty just gave me a pity laugh.
Yeah. Patty knows true humor. She knows true comedy.
Joey said, why would Mo listen to me?
Yeah.
You guys are so funny when you guys talk to each other.
Imagine. Right now would be the time for the NQ to decide whether she wants to go higher and make a higher low, or if it's going to continue lower, because at this point we just crossed over the VWAP, so a lot of people now are starting to get bearish and possibly putting in shorts. But there is a Tory tan line here at some point that I'm sure is going to try to get respected. Not sure if it'd be this or this. Probably be this. And right now she is bouncing from it. If she loses this level, comes down below here, watch a retest of it, chop, 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 and then maybe dump. That's what I would like to see. That's what I would like to see.
That's like my in and out for Jersey. That and the cookie place by my sister's house. Yeah, I'm such a big back with that. Mind you, the girl knows me, and she knows I'm gonna order more than 3 packs of cookies. Yeah, it's just too far. So.
Take a look at what the others are doing right now. Quick look at that stock heat map, see if things are still holding up.
Joey's too nice. He said it was a little funny.
It was a little funny.
Thanks, man.
A little funny. Let's see what we got here. I still haven't seen SpaceX pop up on here, which is weird. I haven't seen it. If anybody knows why SpaceX is not showing up on the heat map, that would be very nice. What, babe?
What is that, babe?
This?
Yeah.
This is the heat map telling us which companies are doing the best and the worst on the Nasdaq. I haven't seen it. It's not really showing up. But no, Google's down. Most of the big tech is down right now.
Okay.
We are getting a pop on the key right now off the VWAP and off the Tory's tan line, but I'm not sure about
He was just saying it's not in the what did you call that again? The hot what?
heat map.
Heat map. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't see SpaceX in the heat map. Right now we do see the mags having a target back down to the overnight low on Smooth Trader Concepts indicator. SpaceX had a blast off this morning, and then after that, consolidation sideways. Very, very choppy price action there as well on SpaceX. Nvidia
What doesn't like you?
has also come and given some of that back.
Yeah, me too.
Took a little bit of a blow off top here with a fade. I don't know what'll happen next, but we'll see. Bitcoin kind of rolling over. Bless you, bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Bitcoin is kind of rolling over. Bless you, babe. 56.6, maybe 56.6. So we might be getting a push on Bitcoin to the downside. That'd be worth entertaining a short. Maybe. Not sure. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like a possible short. Oil is ripping right now. Oil looks like it wants to head up much higher. Possibly a target of 75.75 on oil. And the YM right now has sold off. No bueno there. Take a look at gold. Sold off as well. NQ's bounced. Giving some of it back. We'll see if they respect Tory's tan line, and after that we'll take it from there. Ooh, what an open today. What a market today. This is not going to be a fun one today, guys. It might reject off Mo's entry, says Joey. Oh man. My trade will win. I just need to hold and hope. That's a good thesis. Hold and hope. Oh wow, there goes there goes Mo's long thesis. They're like, we haven't taken Johnny's stop yet. We need to take his stop.
Yeah.
Get ready, babe. I might tell you to take a trade, okay?
Okay. Patty, get ready. We might go on a train. Okay.
Go long.
Go long, Patty.
Go long to 400.
Go long to 400.
Yeah.
Go long to 400. What can I say? Okay.
Put your stop at 250.
Let's stop at 250. Okay, I was like. Come on.
Joey says I might just take my profits and run. I didn't know you were in another long, Joey. Good for you, brother. Looks like most trades doing pretty good here. Where'd my TikTok go? Live discontinued. Your live discontinued due to inactivity? Oh, really? I was inactive? I didn't even know it warned me.
They always have something to say, man.
How I got this inactivity, really?
That's what I'm saying, though. They always have something to say. Like, they always have a problem.
For real, they do. I always have an issue. Oh, wow. She pulled back pretty nasty, huh? Wow, what was that? Just a ripper to the daily open and that's it. Yeah, price action this morning is pretty atrocious. You're up 130 on the day, so I don't want to give it up, says Joey. I got you, man. I got you. Can't blame that. Okay, getting a little bit of a blast off here.
Go. I sound like a ghost.
A ghost?
Yeah, I was like, go.
Hmm. Really mixed bag. Get ready to close if I tell you, okay, babe?
Okay. I had to get ready to close just in case.
Let's close it.
Alright, close it. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, this is looking like a trap here for the bulls. She's pulling back down pretty nasty. Hopefully save some shekels on that. Yeah, you would have been stopped out right now. What a trapper. What a trapper.
Yeah, not that bad.
Thank God it was that and not more. She just ripped the Bulls a new one. Is she gonna make that run to the upside now, or she just, what is she gonna do? What's she gonna do?
Okay.
$105 is where I is my entry point. Right in here. Wow. It's a long way to go. This is a disgusting market, guys. Writing stops. Am I in a trade? Yeah. Johnny's is in a short trade. He's been in a short trade since the pre-market. So I'm hoping he doesn't get his little bot cheeks, you know, poor little bot cheeks. He don't get clapped. Okay. Yeah, no, Johnny's in a short. Obviously, I programmed him to be in a short, so yes, I am in a short. Yeah, right now it looked like it could have been a stop loss run there, Joey, and then maybe now they give us the move to the upside. It's hard to say. You know, the way she's moving today, it might be best to just sit it out until the afternoon session. This has been a sideways chop all morning. It's hard to say what direction she may want to go. It'd be hard for me to believe that they do not want to sweep a little bit higher. Our overnight high is way up there, though. It's over at 560. I don't know if they're going for that. But right now, this is just tough. Tough. ATR 40 and we are chopping. Yeah, Joey, these are really bad conditions when you're chopping and ATR is high. This market feels like those women's who play with you, that they want you, but in reality they hate you. They just want your money. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Good comparison, Nico. Don't mess around in the middle. Yeah. The middle is a very dangerous place to be. The 5-minute looks disgusting. The 30-minute still looks bullish, but that could change. ES is getting kind of heavier at the moment. Maybe the NQ will follow suit. Oil is ripping to the upside. We got oil at 75.50 right now. And she just keeps going. Keeps going. Johnny's keeping his robot fingers crossed for a move to the downside. I'll be praying for you, Johnny. I'm having a very bad day. Had a trade up 400. I extended TP by 3 points to get a round number profit. 400 missed by 1 tick and reserved stopped me at break even. I'm having a massive spiral since. Abel, that sounds like a recipe for a tilt. I think the best thing you could do right now, and I know it's going to be hard to do, shut it down and go for a walk. Come back for the afternoon session, maybe after 2 p.m. After we get the Fed minutes in, then maybe you'll feel a lot better about your trades then. But right now, I think you're going to try to get that money back and trade it from a fight or flight perspective instead of a logical place.
Yeah, you might end up losing more.
Yeah, you will end up losing more. That's just the way it works. When you're out for revenge, it's kind of like the Nasdaq is the apex predator. You can really never beat the Nasdaq, and especially if you're not mentally prepared for it. So walk away, come back. Yeah, I think we got Fed minutes today at 2 p.m. You're locking out? Okay, Joey. Good call.
Andrew, we're saying that from experience.
Yeah, my wife has seen me. Hardest thing to do is get yourself away from that computer, man. Wherever you are, it's probably a nice day outside. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah, this price action is tough. Tough. Chop in Fed minutes, that's a big red flag if I ever heard one. Yeah, I agree. Okay, now we're testing Tori's tan line again. Let's see if this time it breaks. This will be the third time testing it. Tori herself said, and she sells this for $5,000 in her course, she says once a trend line gets tapped 3 times, it's going to break. Let's see if it's true, Joey. Since Joey paid $5,000 for the course, we'll see if his $5,000 was well worth it. All right, so we tapped it 3 times now. Let's see if it breaks this time. In case you guys are wondering where it was tapped, we had, oh no, what are you doing? Okay. It was tapped here. Here. And here. Okay, so we're at 3 taps right now of this trend line. Let's see if it really breaks, Joey. Let's see if all that money you spend is worth it. 3 taps. Dangerous market to be rolling the dice in. When a market does this long, I call it it's collecting souls, and then it's gonna rip in one direction or another and take those souls with her. Chop in Fed minutes. Yeah, she is taking souls. Wow, look at that pullback. She's getting heavy. Let's see if it's true, Joey. We're building liquidity right now. Yeah, Joey, that's the way it looks.
My legs.
You okay?
Yeah, I just gotta keep stretching them.
Difficult market here for me to make any calls on. So let's talk about soccer. What do you guys feel about the Egypt and Argentina game yesterday? Do you feel that Egypt was robbed of potential championship? Do you think they deserved that win yesterday, and maybe possibly the call that was made was a really bad call. I don't know if you guys don't know what happened yesterday, but Egypt supposedly fouled Argentina while Argentina had the ball on their side of the field. I'll find a video on it. I'll show you guys. And it was a very light. If it was a foul, it was a very light one. And then Egypt takes the ball and runs the entire field, the entire length of the field, the other direction, and scores one of the most beautiful goals of the entire FIFA World Cup. And then the ref ends up calling a review on the foul that happened on the other side of the field, 100 yards back, almost like 2 minutes ago, and then nullifies the goal that they just scored. So the score ended up being 2-3, Argentina's favor. But if that goal would have been counted, it could have changed the entire trajectory of the game. So we'd be talking about possibly Egypt moving on right now. But a lot of people are saying that FIFA has done this purposely because Messi is better for marketing than Egypt. Maybe they lost a second goal lead themselves in 10 minutes. Maybe, but they lost a 2-goal lead themselves in 10 minutes. Yeah, that's true. I think it was they got demoralized by that. I haven't seen the whole replay yet. I didn't get a chance to watch it because I was working. But I haven't seen the entire replay yet. I just saw the first few goals. I got to check the rest of the replay. Greg says it was a good game. Colombia lost yesterday. All I know is U.S. is eliminated and we're done for. Yeah, I know. U.S. lost, man. U.S. lost. I wanted to see U.S. go pretty far. So now I'm cheering for Argentina or Norway. I'd love to see Norway. I like their striker. He's a beast. But I'm good with Argentina too, so we'll see. I don't know how I feel about the call yet. You know, I got to watch the entire game. But that was very controversial. I've been seeing it all over social media. Who's playing today? I know there got to be some decent, or do we have a break today? We might have a break today. Yeah, that was yesterday. So tomorrow we have a game. Today we have a break. Tomorrow France and Morocco play. Switzerland beat Colombia yesterday. And Argentina beat Egypt. So we got our final four. Have you seen any of the NBA trades? One of the most crazy offseason recently. I heard LeBron was traded to the WNBA. Is that true, Joey? Was LeBron really traded to the WNBA? I think I heard that somewhere. LeBron's going back to the Cavs. He wants to win a championship with them before he leaves. Maybe. Yeah, this price action today, guys. Oof. Hang it up. There's much better stuff to do today than watch this chart. This is what nightmares are made of. If you're a trader, this is exactly what you don't want to trade. This is exactly where I wouldn't mind if you guys all logged off right now and just went about your day. This is terrible.
That's kind of what I told you. It's like a slow day, but the time is going by fast.
Yeah, it's a slow grind of a market.
Ooh, excuse me.
Yeah.
I don't know why I keep burping. Joy said this is a smash your monitor type person.
Yeah. We're getting a MOAS showing up right now. Getting a MOAS. I don't know what's going to happen here. She's getting maybe counteracted here. Yeah, she got counteracted. This is a smash your monitor type of price action. Yeah, I agree. You're mad looking at this and you're locked out? Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you.
I locked out a while ago, I'm not gonna lie.
Huh?
I locked out after the trade. I was like,
Yeah, this is just pointless.
It's garbage.
Yeah, it's kind of pointless. Trying to make money in this is kind of like, yeah. I don't know if anything else is trading any better. Is gold trading better? Yeah, gold's a little cleaner. Gold's a little cleaner. I don't know if you guys have trade gold, but it's a little cleaner. And oil is extremely clean today. Going right, obeying just like Mo expects Joey to do, right to its target. Look at that beautiful 75, 79, 75, 75 hit, and now pulling back. About the YM. YM's also moving a lot better. It's just the NQ today is just horrible. Even Bitcoin is obeying. Look at that. I think Nvidia is the one behind this nonsense. Yeah, look at Nvidia. She's just dead on the VWAP right now. SpaceX also kind of died out. And Mag 7s are below VWAP at the moment, so still got the heaviness to it, and target at 6508. Oh wow, look at that pullback. Yeah, so right now we're getting another MOAS signal right now. Are you taking any more trades, babe, or are you good?
No, I'm negative. I need to.
Okay, then take a short now.
Patty, go short.
Put your stop at I think your stop is here, if I'm not mistaken. I'll tell you 1 second, babe.
Yeah.
Put your TP at 103.
Put TP at 103.
And your stop is at 372.
The stop is at 372.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. 372.
Yeah. If this doesn't work, babe, I would say lock it up.
Okay.
Because the market is just going to be one of those Karens today, where it shows one thing and does the opposite. Today is amazing for DCA traders. Just keep averaging. It's holding a range tight until it breaks and the count breached. Yeah, for sure. Just made a 1K today, done for today. Says Viral Boss. Oh, nice. Good job, man. Good for you. Johnny says he sees the, you can see the light at the end of the tunnel here with this price action right now. It's good. Proud of you, Johnny. You need much more day margin for gold. It depends, Thomas. If you're trading on a brokerage, you got to watch what the margin levels are. I think gold trades at like $5 a point, if I'm not mistaken, on futures. But if you're trading that with a broker, it depends, man. We're trading it on prop firms, so to us it really doesn't make a difference. We have a $2,000 drawdown. I don't know if you've ever tried trading with a prop firm, but we have a few. They're pinned in the chat. If you want to check them out, they're pretty good. If you've never traded gold before, maybe that's a good way to get your foot in the door, trading it with a prop firm, seeing how it moves, because gold moves differently. Gold moves differently than the NQ and the ES. It has different kind of nuances. Any gold traders in the chat? Maybe they can inform Thomas Otto about that. All right, we got a nice pullback. Very nice. Very, very nice. Cool. Potential pop here, says Joey. 175, Joey. Okay. You going long on that, Joey? The 15-minute orb low? Man, I tell you, if Johnny gets his TP at 28.8, I will crown Johnny the NQ bot of the year. Maybe on paper? Gotcha. Looks like Apex is the next one for me. What do you mean by Apex is the next one for you, Greg? You gonna try out Apex? Apex had a huge deal on their 250K legacy accounts. I don't know. I think it's over now. It was like $17 for a 250K account. That's just for the eval though. Joey says you're gonna get a pop here, and it looks like he might be right.
Come on.
I'm still thinking a little lower. Oh wow, gold's doing really good for me right now. Johnny took gold trades and he's ripping on the gold trades right now. Yeah, he's doing pretty good on gold. ES also following down. Oil's holding these 75 levels. Looks like maybe this drama over in the Strait of Hormuz with Iran is really finally getting to the market. We're starting to see that pullback that I was expecting. You're in, Joey? You're looking for 225? You made it down to 150. Yeah, you'll probably get 225.
Come on, get away, man.
Wrong way, baby?
I'm trying to talk to it, tell it to go down.
Yeah. Simmer down, NQ.
Simmer down.
I think Joey might have gotten his 225. Did he? Or he's about to. There you go, Joey. 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 Yeah, look at this ripper. There's a ripper that comes out of nowhere. Nice bounces, Paul. Yeah, for sure. Johnny's not too happy about this bounce. No, what a candle. What a candle. I think they're going to try to retest Tori's tan line is what they're doing.
Yeah, for Patty says she hopes that that means they'll go back down.
Yeah. Has there been anything easy today? No.
No.
No. And Q's like, yeah, that's cute. Easy, you say, huh? Will Tori's tan line hold them back?
So cute.
We got the overnight low on the ES that we could possibly revisit somewhere around 7,068, 74,068. So maybe the NQ wants to do that as well. Maybe. We'll see. Market likes to bounce around from liquidity pocket to liquidity pocket, so still holding on tight for these lower levels. But if it doesn't happen, it's okay. Tomorrow we try again. Joey says rejection back down on the ES. Joey will teach Tori a few things today, says Paul. Yeah, have a talk with her, Joey. Let her know that it's not okay to let the NQ pass. Not today. Well, Joey, she was right about the 3 taps. She broke. But let's just hope she doesn't get accepted back in. That would be very grim. That would be a grim ending. Oh no. She is horrible. Yeah, she's really trying to push this thing right back up. Really trying. I'm gonna use the restroom, guys. I'll be right back.
Sorry, I'm trying to Sorry, guys. I'm trying to coordinate with the girls about responsibilities. If you have 2 dogs, then I gotta teach them that dogs need to be walked every day. My husband and I can do it. We know we can, but it's just to prepare them for the future. Because they claim they want like 7 dogs. Okay. So. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, they did? Oh my gosh.
Tell them how much you're down right now, so they feel better about themselves.
That's so funny.
Joey, you wish you were Tori's dog?
I was telling them that I was coordinating with the girls to walk the dogs before I take Kayla to cheer.
Uh-huh.
And they gotta coordinate and stuff. And they're good about the times, but it's just teaching them responsibilities. Because we could walk the dogs, but if we don't teach them to do things, they'll never learn.
We can teach them things, but if they don't what?
If we don't teach them, we can do anything. Like you and I can walk the dogs, we can cook, we can clean.
Yeah, we do everything around the house.
But again, if our parents didn't teach us that, we'd never learn.
Correct?
Don't get me wrong, I can't teach them everything. That's physically impossible, but especially in 18 years. But you can start with anything.
All right, you're getting your push, babe. You're getting the push back down. Maybe you get your 103 hit.
Yeah, please go down, because I'm gonna have a good day.
The wife's P&L needs it.
Yeah, exactly. It's Patty's anniversary.
It's Patty's anniversary.
Have some like compassion, not compassion. What's that word? Excitement.
Excitement?
Yeah, like it needs to be positive for once.
You mean like obey? Like what's that
Yeah,
says?
do as I say.
Like Mo says?
Do as I say.
Obey, man.
Follow the repercussions.
Follow the repercussions.
Follow the repercussions.
I have no idea what that means.
Yeah, I swear, if I lecture these girls and I say something dumb and I mispronounce it or something, I swear they're gonna laugh.
Babe.
Yeah.
Are you ready to possibly put in another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Then add to your short.
Put what?
Add to your short then.
Okay. Patty, I added to my short. I don't know if you want to add to your short.
Put the TP on this next one at 142.
At 142, okay.
And put the stop on that one at 297.
To what?
297.
297 for the
Stop.
stop. Ooh, that was so fast.
Mm-hmm.
What?
And 145 or 142 for the TP.
Okay, so the two take profits are 142 and 104. Oh, that sounds so cute. And the stop is 297 and 372.
Yeah. Hopefully this
Oh my
doesn't turn into
goodness.
chop suey.
Yesterday, the girls and I and Lewis, my husband,
What's up, Scapulaire? Sorry, babe.
No, you're fine. We were watching 16 and Pregnant, and we're in the episode with this girl, Janelle. I'm so grateful that they understood she was very disrespectful to her mom.
Are we speaking to everybody or just Patty?
Everybody.
Yeah, my wife thought it was a good idea to show our daughters who are 11 and, no, 12, no, 11?
No, 11 and 14.
11 and 14. The show 16 and Pregnant from back in the 90s. I don't know, it was from the 90s, right? 2000s?
No, it's from the 2000s.
2000s?
Yeah.
Yeah, just because like they need to see what it is to like a
Have a
child
child.
having a child, basically,
Be-
right? And we
be
could tell
more
them what we
intelligent.
want.
Yeah. Because I'm sorry, like respectfully, I'm sure they're very happy that because it's not the baby that's the problem, it's that they don't understand the actions. And I'm sure they don't regret the baby, which you never should regret your kids, ever.
But what
But
comes with
again,
it?
Yeah, exactly. But there's a lot of things that come with it, and that's why kids are not meant to have children, because you can't be a child taking care of a child. That doesn't make any sense. So the poor decisions that they make, thinking it's not going to be a consequence, but that's exactly what that is. You want to have the act? And this is what I told them yesterday, which is, I'm sorry to talk about it,
You're gonna get me banned on TikTok.
But if you have enough, if you think you're so responsible to do the act, then understand that that act comes with consequences. So then be responsible enough for the other stuff,
Yeah.
the harder things. So I hope I explained that correctly.
You did. If you're a man or woman enough to, have relations at that age,
Yeah.
then you should be man or woman enough to raise your own kid. But all these kids, they're showing how hard it is to have it at their age, and rightfully so. It's hard at any age, but they're still like not grown up. They want to go out. They can't go out. They're fighting with their mom, their dad, and they need to see this stuff, because we could tell them all we want, but if they don't see it with their own eyes firsthand of how bad it is to have a child at that age, like, they won't really believe us. Because kids at that age, they think they know everything.
Yeah.
So you can tell them all you want, but man, and Joey's right. He's like, if I had a kid right now, I'd be so cooked. Yeah, it's hard to have a kid in this day of age, because they think they know everything with social media, AI, and everything. They think they know everything.
Yeah. And they keep saying things like, oh, well, that's never going to happen to me. Well, they also thought that too in the show, that they didn't think that would happen to them. But again, it's the unexpected.
Exactly.
Again, the only way you expect pregnancy is when you're married and you're trying to conceive.
Yeah. Mo says, this stream is for entertainment purposes only. Joey's disobedience is not meant to be taken as financial advice, a personal insult, or a sign that he actually heard a single thing you said. Joey says he can't take care of himself. Imagine taking care of a kid. Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, even at our age, it's hard to take care of kids and balance it with taking care of yourself.
Yeah.
So I can understand, Joey. Definitely do it in the right steps, Joey. Get yourself established, meet the right woman.
That's the first thing.
And then, give it to God, man. He'll help you.
Yeah. Can't prevent, but can definitely guide. It's up to them what they do with that guidance.
Do you think you will hit your TP today? I hope so, Viral Boss. That's the plan
I hope so too.
that Johnny has.
I need positivity, please. My mind is on a cloud for some reason, so please.
Yeah. Sometimes when the market consolidates a lot, the move that comes after it is pretty fast. So who knows? Maybe Johnny gets his TP. Maybe he gets his robot chin checked. I don't know. We'll see. The verdict is still out.
Dame un favor. Pásame tu teléfono.
We're in chop land, says Timothy.
Thank you.
Yeah, we are. We're a little choppy. We're getting consolidation with a chance of choppiness here as the forecast. Viral Boss says it looks like we might go short. Maybe. You just don't know, because all it takes is just one monster candle to just reverse this whole move. And then the market is known to do that. The market has been known to do this craziness. There's wild absurdities. Did I just speak it into existence? Maybe I did. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like the looks of this candle.
Alright, I gotta step away for a second.
Here he goes. Here goes the nonsensical. Here goes the nonsense. Anybody trading this? Anybody in a long or short? This is tough stuff, man. My wife is, and Patty is. They're in shorts. I'm in a short, obviously. You gotta see that. What's up, Chewy? What's going on, Carlos, Anai, Ayana, and Dimitri over on TikTok? How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are well. Oh, come on, NQ, just dump it already. Knock this off. Stop the silliness. You're done for the day. Come on, I don't blame you, man. This is just chop on chop on chop. The whole day, we never even got a break from the open. It's just been nothing but chop. I mean, the first few candles had a little momentum, but the rest of the day has just been blah, blah. Terrible. You're up nice on the pre-London? Nice, man. You wait until after the chop? Smart, smart. Upload a P&L on Discord? Good, good, good. Good for you. BKS was moved at 175 levels. Holding, says Joey. I know. I see it, Joey. I see it, man. I see it. It's a conspiracy against Johnny, I think. See, conspiracy theory, man. Come on, man. Just dump it, man. Just touch it, man. Since the sweep at 29,360, but I got out at 1-to-1 when I saw the market's condition. Just got back in when I saw you. Oh, nice. Medellin, Diego, are you from Medellin?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm still sore from Monday.
Are you?
Yeah.
Diego Medellin. Come on, NQ. What are you doing? Looks like they're trying to build a base here. I don't like the looks of it. Your last name is Medina? That's pretty cool, man. That's what's up, man. That's a good last name. Super sneaky market, says Thomas Otto. I agree. I agree. She has a lot of aces up her sleeve.
Come on.
She's making this into a career. This move to the upside or downside. She's making it into a full-blown career.
Mm-hmm.
Today's price action makes 0 cents.
I mean, honestly, I don't really care if NQ goes slow. It's just like
Go in a direction.
go in, yeah, exactly. But my direction.
Pick one already, NQ.
Yeah.
Can you believe that our job is to stare at candles? Oh, man.
I'm grateful for this job.
Oh, grateful for
Mm-hmm.
chart
Not
watching.
NQ. Let's not get it twisted. I'm
Yeah.
not grateful for NQ. I'm about
Not
to punch
the-
him,
not-
but
not-
for her, whatever.
Not the way she's moving today.
Yeah, exactly. I'm grateful.
Yeah, always have to be. Come on, just a little more. Give us the first TP there at
Yeah, I agree with what Thomas says.
Super sneaky,
market,
yeah. She has a super sneaky today. She's like that butler from Mr. Deeds.
It's kind of like, go a direction, man. Just please. Again, life is hard enough. Don't make it harder.
Yeah, and Q.
I'm telling you, me and Q gonna have some words later.
Yeah, she's super terrible. You've been working this job for a year, only been paid $500 so far? Damn, Joey. Sorry to hear that, man. That'll get better. Ryan Hunter says, dump it. What's up, Ryan? Yeah, we're waiting for the dump, too. Been waiting all day. But she is being very, very difficult.
I agree, Ryan. Dump it.
Super difficult.
Yeah, I just went straight for like what, 15 minutes straight.
Yeah, just literally has gone straight. Come on, baby. Just take this.
I think
Take
it's
the,
11 o'clock.
take the elevator.
You have so much energy for someone who hasn't taken
Take
yet.
the elevator, NQ. Oil keeps pushing. We're above 75, 65 on oil. As long as we can keep oil going higher, maybe the NQ will want to go down. But right now,
It's
she's
having
just
part
like,
in the
what?
morning.
She's just like, whatever, bro.
I'm not your bra. Remember that?
Yeah.
I'm not your bra. Bra.
All right, go, 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 NQ.
What? Oh, you scared me.
Go, 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 NQ, go. Push, NQ.
Go.
Push it, baby. Let's go. Get your first TP back. Get your first TP.
Go
Go.
get sucker punched. You're so funny.
You have your first TP at what?
What?
Yeah, what's your first TP at? When what?
142.
142?
Yeah.
Come on, NQ.
Patty's doing her squats now.
Oh, she's doing her squats?
Yeah.
My wife has a wonderful smile. Yeah,
Aw,
man.
thank
She does.
you.
She's the whole package. Go to your home, says Joey. Thanks, Jermaine. Jermaine, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate having you here. And yeah, my wife is my co-host here. She helps out.
Hello.
Yeah, she's been learning how to trade the last few months, and I figured, hey, why not just throw on stream? People hear her in the background talking. They're like, who is that weird person in the background? It's my weird.
For real? That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, that's what she's gonna do, babe.
Okay. Okay. I see the.
She's like, I was gonna go to 142. But what had
Joey said Thomas trying to steal Smooth's girl.
No, man, you need better game than that. Thank you. I was like, I was gonna go to 142, but what had happened was.
No.
That's what NQ said.
There's no what had happened.
Yeah, the market wants down so bad, but this thing is going so sideways. It's crazy.
Oh. Yo.
Pick one heck of a week to stop sniffing glue. That's for sure. Come on, NQ.
Make the effort. Maybe
A little more. Get the 142 for the misses.
Oh.
Come on.
Babe, I'm sorry. I forgot to give this back. Thank you.
A little more. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on.
I'm sorry.
Come on. Come on. Surely Smooth can't be
Stop
serious.
said my camera wasn't
Come on.
centered. I don't know if it's still centered.
Wait,
No.
wait. I got you.
Huh?
You want me to fix it for you?
No, I got
All right, you got your first CP?
Yes.
Good.
Oh, no. Now I did. Okay, good.
All right, good. Okay.
Just kidding.
All right, you're better now. All right. Let's go, Johnny. All right, now she's dumping. Go. Mo's still long, Joey. He confirmed it in our Discord.
Surely Smooth can't be serious.
It's from the movie Airplane because I said I picked a heck of a week to stop sniffing glue. And then he said, Shirley, you can't be serious. He's like,
So funny.
don't call me Shirley.
I would like to know how you started in trading and what you did to be full-time. Jermaine asked you, babe.
Oh, Jermaine asked the question?
Yeah, you said I would like to know how you started in trading and what did you do to be full-time.
Where did he ask that? I don't see that. Oh, yeah. I would like to. Okay. Well, trading full time should never be your full time. Is what I mean by that is that you should always have another stream of income besides trading.
Yeah.
So build another source of income first and trade on the side. Never say, okay, today I'm going to quit my job and I'm going to go full time trading. And even us, you see us right now, we're not full time traders. Like we have the YouTube channel and all the content we create. That's one of our streams of income.
Mm-hmm.
We had a real estate company in the past that we still have on autopilot that still feeds us every month. We have rental properties that still give us money. Like there's other ways that we get inflow, because if you just try to survive off of trading, it's not only very difficult, but it's way too much pressure to put on yourself. So what I would say is find a steady income that you enjoy. It doesn't have to be passive income. You don't have to be like one of those people who says like, and believe me, there is no such thing as passive income. Everything is active. Whether you own a laundromat or you own real estate, you always have to be involved at a certain degree. So find something that you like, find something you enjoy, and do that, and then trade. Even if you trade in the evenings, even if you trade the Asia session, even if you trade the mornings, you can always trade around the other income, and it'll keep you with a better mindset. So, and that's how you do it. So you see in us, we look like we're trading full time. We're really not. You know, we are when we're not. Like we trade whenever we want, but at the same time, we have other ways of gathering income. And I'm still looking for more ways of getting more income. So, you know, there's always multiple ways that you can sustain yourself, not just from trading. Even the best traders in the world will tell you that they have more ways of getting income than just trading. You're almost there, babe. You got 104.
Can you slap it down, please?
One more point for her. 103. Give her 103. Come on, NQ. Give her 103. Go, NQ. Go.
All I hear is Patty blowing on
Go,
the
NQ.
screen. Bruh. Come on.
Push, NQ. You got it, babe?
Thank you, Jesus.
You got it?
All right.
Joey said, I did smooth and then I had to get a job. Yeah, you do. You always need a job, man.
Yeah.
Trading stream is a rare thing indeed, needs to be promoted more, and we're trying. I'm still doing chauffeuring, says Kamal, while trading,
Yeah,
but
that's
been
amazing.
driving for 20 years now, but tough to do both while handling other drivers too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Patty was,
That's another reason why I created the algorithm that trades for me too, is because I'm going to look for more ways of making income and let the algo trade for me 24/7.
I was gonna say, Patty said, she's like, I like to thank God.
Are you off on anything?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
So I'm done,
I
honestly.
would call it because look, it's already 11 now, so when the chop
Exactly.
really starts.
But I'm very grateful too.
Yeah.
No, I was just saying what you said, that I'd like to thank God.
What Patty said?
Yeah.
Oh,
Because we're up, so that's great.
yeah, that's really good.
Ay, ay, ay.
Sam B makes 20K a day sometimes, and he still works a job. Yeah, he is, and he works summer jobs too.
I can give you something to help you read
Good
it.
job, Johnny.
By the way, from the Bible app on my phone, because
Johnny's doing good on
not that I have
gold
a hard
too.
time understanding, but it's like when I read it, sometimes I can't understand what the Bible states, so I have to go on the Bible app. And TPT, I think it's called. Oh, dang it, I forgot. But it's TPT. It's kind of like
In the
an
trading world?
emotional- It's kind of like an emotional thing.
In the
or-
trading world,
No,
TPT means something totally different.
No.
Yeah, it means take profit trader.
No. Remember the Passion Translation? I forgot what the first thing says though, where it shows you a more emotional depth of like what the passage really means. You get me? Like when I read to you from my phone, from the Bible,
Mm-hmm.
I'd read to you in a more emotional stance.
Is that what that is?
Because it explains it
Passion
more.
translation.
Passion Translation, yes. And
The Passion translation.
that version's better if you use it from the Bible app. So, that's my favorite truck. I tell the girls that all the time. They're like, "Oh, your truck's coming."
What truck? The Amazon truck?
Yeah, whatever. UPS, FedEx, Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that delivers me anything, I'm happy. That's my favorite car.
Yeah. I get anxiety when I hear the Amazon truck. I'm like, just skip our house. Just keep going. Keep
Someone
going.
gets anxiety
Please, no,
whenever he
not our
sees
house.
that.
Not our house.
It's so funny. But yeah, I'm gonna sign out now.
Imagine if you can just refund or return your package right to the driver and be like, hey, driver, hey, can I start my refund right now? With you?
You're so funny.
You see every husband outside on a lawn chair just waiting for the Amazon truck. Yeah, let me just start that refund. And then tell your wife, I don't know, honey. I don't know. It never came. All right, you guys are done?
Yeah, we're done.
Say goodbye.
Very grateful for the.
Say goodbye on a day like this. Yeah, for sure.
Have a great day, everyone. May you guys have a blessed day as well, and may you guys end in green.
May you live
That's
long and
also
prosper,
hard.
she says.
Yeah.
All right, just me and Johnny now. Take care, baby.
No, Patty, love you.
Okay.
Love you too, babe.
I'll love you more. Just me and Johnny. The way nature intended. A man and his robot. No, a man and his robot. Me and Johnny.
That's true, though. Man and his robot is very important.
Turn off your mic, baby. Okay, good. Just me and Johnny. Thank you. All right, she's getting dumpy here, guys. She's getting dumpy. Let's see if you can keep the momentum going. Or is that just a one-off? E.T. is a legend? That's not E.T., man. That's Johnny. Viral Boss is going to go long. I'm still holding Johnny short. Still holding shorts on gold too. The gold trade is not doing too bad. Let's go ahead and check in on Johnny's gold trade. I don't know why Tradeovate keeps logging me out for some reason. Yeah, Johnny's up pretty nicely on gold today. He's up 228 already booked and another 270 or 80 right now that he is unrealized. So he's doing pretty good on gold today. But this is the interesting one. He's got a monster short right now. Hopefully it goes in his favor. And if not, it might fry his circuits. Come back to us. Come back to us, candles. I don't know why these candles end up disappearing. I have no clue. Once they appear, you guys will see them. For some reason, they're just not showing up. They disappear and then they appear. I have no clue why. If anybody knows, please tell me. There we go. Yeah, one is my active trade on Trade and the other one is the indicator, in case people want to see the indicator. All right, she's dumpy. Go, Inky, go, 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 go. Keep going, baby. Just tipping all the scales here to the downside. This is very nice. Jermaine says, I think it's going long right now. Hopefully not. Okay. It's a little hot right now, but okay. It's up to you. Walk to Starbucks. Go get some waters. She'll love that walk. And take her. I'm fine with it, baby. It's important. It's an important conversation. All right? Good luck, baby. Guys, hit the likes. I didn't ask you guys today at all to hit the likes. It would mean a lot to us. Okay, hit the like. We only got 22 likes right now. I know we do better than that. Definitely do better than that. Just want to let you guys know if you guys are interested in using the Smooth Trader Concepts Indicator, which I'm going to be rolling out an additional update that's going to be crazy. It's going to give you a lot more high value signals. Go ahead and check out the link that's pinned in the chat. You can get the indicator for 7 days for $7. I'll show you guys real quick what it the call outs it had, the unbelievable call outs. And check out the prop firm matrix if you guys are looking to see what prop firms are best to trade with right now. Let me just go ahead and fix that real quick. Yeah, check out the prop firm matrix if you guys want to see what prop firms are offering right now. We have Apex, TradeA, Tradify, and Lucid offering some really great deals right now. The offers are expiring soon though. They have 40% off Tradify and Lucid. Trade has 50% off, and Apex had a 90% off deal. I don't know if that's still valid, but I'm sure it'll come right back around. They always do. And if you guys want to check out the websites, they're all linked down here with the highest coupon code as well. And below that, we have our BTCC exchange, which is our Bitcoin exchange where we trade crypto. That is awesome for anybody who wants to get started trading crypto, trading stocks, or trading futures if you want to hold overnight. They will give you up to they give you $30 for signing up and confirming your KYC or confirming your identity. They give you up to 250x leverage, which is crazy. I wouldn't go that high, but they have it if you need it. And up to $10,000 for deposit bonuses. So when you make a deposit, they will give you a 10% bonus on top. So check them out. Very, very nice exchange. And you do not need to worry about a VPN. You can be in the United States. They do accept US traders, which is nice. All right, she's getting kind of dumpy now. Good. Johnny went from sweating robot bullets, to now possibly getting the TP. It's going to be wild here. Wild to see. That is Short Circuit? Yeah, it's from Short Circuit. Come on, it's from Short Circuit. That was a great movie. One of my favorites as a kid. One of my favorite movies. It's a bear day, says Joey. It's starting to appear that way. Oh, NQ's finally pushing. Hopefully we can keep going. Let's see if she'll start heating up here for the downside. What's going on, B? Welcome back, brother. Getting that push now, all the way down. Hopefully, it's gonna be slow. ATR is still pretty decent though. I've got a 36 right now in the 1 minute, but she's moving slow. Dangerous combo. What's up, Storm? Been a minute. Been trying to lock in without too many distractions, but still around, just not chiming in much. Okay, nice to see you, Storm. Sometimes you just need to put your head down, throw on that Boney James, and just get the trading, man. Tough trade earlier today. Yeah, it was a real tough day today. Real tough day. The market has just been non-cooperative this morning, just going kind of sideways. But still, she's got a little bit of a bearish sentiment to her right now, so hopefully we get this move. We do have Fed minutes released at 2 p.m. today, so that might be what's keeping us going sideways here with not too much variety. Maybe we end up just caressing the VWAP all day until we get that 2 p.m. news. Maybe. Let's see if there's anything we need to be aware of here in the world of X. I don't know if Twitter thinks that I'm into pugs now or something because I was looking for that pug thing yesterday. I hope not. Patrick got 350 from Apex. Nice. What year was that? 2025. Good for you, brother. Just in, the FBI has opened an investigation into Argentina Football Association for allegedly money laundering, wire fraud, and tax evasion. Is that true? Wow. That came out of left field. Uh-oh. You know what is going on right now? My OBS is acting up, guys. Give me a second. Come on, OBS. Okay, there we go. All right, FBI has opened an investigation into Argentina Football Association. What is this about? I want to see the video of these two guys getting off that balloon now. Oh, man. They sent this guy flying, huh? Holy smokes. Yeah, that's pretty intense. I ain't gonna lie. That's pretty crazy. Criminal case against California doctor who drove his family off a 300-foot cliff has been dismissed. 45-year-old Dharmesh Patel was accused of intentionally driving his Tesla off Devil's Side in January 2023. Yeah, I heard about that. They all survived because of the Tesla. Is so safe. He was initially hit with 3 attempt murder charges. The case has now been dismissed because Patel is doing well in his mental health program. According to his doctors, his wife and children survived the crash. You can drive your family off a 300-foot cliff and get away with it. Absolutely insane. Yeah, did he do it on purpose, though? Maybe he didn't. I don't know. Who knows? If he did, though, that's pretty insane. Yeah, this guy's all over my feed, man. All over my feed. He's a beast. That he is. He's a beast. He's a real beast. But, all right, let's see what else is going on, guys. Markets are still going sideways. Yeah. Getting a little bit of push right now on the NQ. Let's see if she maybe taps the 21 and then falls back, but I don't know. NQ flush is coming, says Thomas Otto. I don't know. I don't know. It's hard to say. It's hard to predict. Just me and Johnny. Very slow markets here. And Johnny's gold trade is doing pretty well. It's about to TP soon, hopefully. Yeah, market's looking for downside. We got a big red wave still here on the 1 minute. I think that's going to be pretty hard to pierce unless we get some kind of crazy news or something. This could be an all-day thing. Rafa Market, thanks for the follow over on Kick. Appreciate you, brother. Let's go ahead and look at what else is going on here with the rest of the market. See if there's been any changes in the heat map. Not much. Everything's still kind of red. Google's down a lot more now. Meta is too, and Microsoft. Everything's bleeding here. The only thing keeping the market afloat is Avgo, up 4% right now. Nvidia kind of just doing sideways price action. Mag 7s have probably lost the VWAP battle they had this morning. Yeah, they did. And they have a target right now, 65.08 still. Nvidia is now just kind of SpaceX is cruising underneath the VWAP. Nvidia has an important level down here at 196, but she's back above the VWAP now. Bitcoin is falling. Taking the elevator, it looks like. Oil is just holding tight, right at these 75s. Oh, YM said, "See you later, man." Well, YM's gone. No bounce yet. Yeah, and on gold, yeah, gold right now, we've got Johnny just a few points away from taking the TP on it. This is his gold trade. Hopefully he hits. That'll be a good hit for him. Back to the NQ. What's NQ wanting to do now? Possibly move back up to the VWAP? Who knows? Longs right now don't look terrible, but at the same time, I'm in shorts. What's up, Sam B? How are you, brother? Passed my 50K Lucid account last night. Can you share some tips on how to manage the account? Have a certain number of trades for you, Antonio. And then don't go past that. So for instance, if you have a 3-trade rule or a 3-loss rule or a 3-trade total rule, just stick to it. Make sure you stick to your own rules. That's the only thing you can do. No guarantees you're going to win, obviously, with this strategy, but at least it limits the opportunity for you to blow the account on one day of tilt. That's the most important rule. For me, at least. where I've noticed my weaknesses, that would keep me alive and keep me going a lot longer. Yeah, Samby, for sure. Yeah, market's pushing right now. They're pushing. Not sure what they're trying to do here. Really not sure. It's like she takes one move up, one move down, one move up, one move down, one move up. Like I said, they're probably gonna hug this VWAP all day until the 2 p.m. news comes. Guys, hit the likes if you wouldn't mind. That would help us a lot. Drop a comment or hit the little emojis there. The little hearts, the little 100s. You ever watch Dexter? I love Dexter, bro. I watched every single episode. Even the new ones. Original Sin. And the new one when he's back and he's old. I've seen all of them, bro. Great show, man. If you guys have never watched Dexter, don't go down that rabbit hole unless you're willing to sacrifice the next 3, 4, or 5 months of your life. Trump's in a press conference soon. He is in Arcana, Turkey. He is. And Ankara, Turkey. You've never watched it, but you've seen clips? Man, I'm telling you, if there was ever a good show, it's that one. Dexter's a great show, man. Especially if you're into like those kind of like murder mystery shows. Man, Dexter Morgan. Very dark show, but very good screenplays and plot twists and oh man, the cliffhangers. Unbelievable show. A lot of famous people have made appearances on that show too. You've seen the ending? But there's so many endings though, bro. There are so many good plot twists and endings of seasons. It's such a good show. And it takes place in Miami, so you get that Miami vibe too, which is pretty cool. The later seasons take place in different places, not like, but the early seasons, they take place in Miami. Sam B's looking for 29.10. Tomorrow unemployment claims at 8:30 and home sales at 10. Yeah, tomorrow will be a market mover. Maybe that's why we're getting such coin price action today. Yeah, looks like they want to push. 5 minute looks like they want to possibly go back up to VWAP. It's probably one of those days, guys. They're gonna love this. They're gonna hug the VWAP all day. You're in summer school lunch break, Samby? Thanks for checking in, man. I appreciate that. Any trades today so far, Samby? I don't know if you mentioned that or not. What a slow moving market. I wish I could tell you guys more about more stuff here, but there's really nothing happening. Wish there was more to say about this market. You're up 8K, 5 trades, 6 trade is on a short. There, Sabby, that's amazing, bro. You're a true legend. Alright, this is gonna get boring real quick. Watching this. Yeah, this was the goal. Come on. What's going on with OBS today? Yeah, I don't think you guys can see that. Yeah, this was an epic run. Let's look at the first. The guy gets from Argentina. Supposedly the player from Argentina gets fouled. Let's see if the foul that happened. Like they called that a foul. That was barely even touched them at all. Like I like Argentina, but I'm gonna be honest with you, they didn't even touch him. And this Egyptian player right here, whoever ran this ball right here, this black dude, man, what moves he put on the Argentinians. And then that was the cleanest goal I think I've ever seen here. Crazy. And he ruled this to be a foul, and he nullified that goal, which is insane, man. Insane. Yeah, I don't think that was right. I really don't think that was right. That was messed up. Crazy. All right, we're getting that push still. Good. Johnny's waiting with open arms. Sam B says, God gave me a dream about we are going down a few months ago, about after hitting NQ 30Ks. That's good, Sam B. Yeah, it looks like we're following that direction now. Jerome says, I woke up in the middle of the night with anxiety, saw the market tanked, possibly I made a quick scalp long for 25 points on one mini and went back to bed. Oh, good. Nice, Jerome. You made some money then. Kamal says, I passed a new set of 50K target, 1K per day, just because I feel more confident with more drawdown. Okay. Good for you, brother. Cup and handle, says Thomas Otto. Right now in the NQ, we'll look at it. Just followed on YouTube. Do you have a live trade every day? Yeah, we're live every day on Diego from 9 in the morning till around noon, around 12 o'clock. We had loads of liquidity on the all-time high frame. We never went yesterday, grabbed it today. I don't know what you mean by ALH, or 1 hour, the 1 hour time frame. We had loads of liquidity on the 1 hour time frame. We never went up yesterday and grabbed this, says Kamal. Okay. FIFA was Argentina, Messi in the finals. Oh, FIFA wants Argentina and Messi in the finals. FIFA is corrupt as can be, says Awetas. Yeah. A lot of people are saying that. A lot of people are saying that. Yeah, take care, Joey. See you tomorrow. Professional sports are rigged, says Paul. Yeah, a lot of NBA players are going getting locked up now for throwing games. New traders, you can make money in longs or shorts. Use wisdom, says Sam B. Definitely good advice. Appreciate that, brother. Yeah, there's no World Cup games today, so you guys can. I'll go back to watching All My Children or whatever soap operas you guys watch. I didn't get to walk this morning. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, so today I'm making up for it. Today I got to work out hard. Jerome says, should I get tickets to Saturday's game here in Kansas City, Argentina versus Switzerland? Well, if you can afford it. Oh, yeah, you can. You make a lot of money with trading the NQ. I didn't know there was even any tickets available. I thought these games get sold out way ahead of time. Kamal says, learning and growing each day. Thank God. Absolutely. I will share my current trade that I am on in the main chat Discord. Thanks, Sambi. Go ahead and share that. Let me know when you do, and I'll share it with the crew. Yeah, market is very slow today, man. She is so slow, so stinking slow. Alejandro Quinteros, thank you for subscribing, brother. Appreciate having you here. Let's check in on Johnny, see how he's doing with his trade. Yeah, still got his little head above water. Let's check in on his gold trade. How's your gold trade doing, Johnny? Yeah, he just missed his TP on gold there by just a little bit. He's still holding on for it. Hopefully you get it, Johnny. You shared it in the main chat. Thanks, bud. Okay, yeah, go ahead and check it out, guys. I'm gonna look at it myself. You're looking for 978 as your TP? 28,978, somewhere down here. All right, good call. Spectacular move to the downside here in the 30-minute. Looks real strong. Maybe they want to sweep the overnight lows. If they do manage to take out the overnight lows, Johnny's trade is going to be very profitable. Just have a buffering issue. It'll pass, I'm sure. You have no video? It'll come back. It'll come back. Hey, Kid Poker, what's up, brother? Where's Khan? Is he okay? Khan's taking a little bit of a break. I think he had a rough patch, as a lot of us have in the last month or so with this transition. Sam B's up 10K today with the indicator. Nice, man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream right now on TikTok, guys, because might be holding up some of our bandwidth. So if you guys are watching on TikTok, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you want to continue watching, we'll be on YouTube probably for another 10-15 minutes. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, I just ended our TikTok stream. Maybe that'll help clear up some of the bandwidth. Yep, that helped. The transition from bull market to now looks like we might be giving it back. Looks like shorts are primarily the winners in these last few days and week or so. Smooth, get a fan out on the router, cool it down, or make sure it has ventilation. Yeah, let me check it out. To be honest with you, it's lukewarm. It's not even hot. But it's good now, right? What's up, Kid Poker? How are you, man? How you been trading? If you guys are just tuning in, don't forget to hit the like. That helps us out a lot. Yeah, Bitcoin's melting today. Oil keeps going, making new highs. We're at $76 on oil now. Over the mark, what's going on? Good, 2 payouts in June. Beautiful, brother. Might be crazy, but thinking might go back up to overnight high, maybe. Yeah, what's up, Alan? Yeah, I mean, it's possible. Crazier things have happened. Reason why I'm short and I'm staying short is we have a huge red wave on the 1 minute, huge red wave on the 30 minute, starting to transition into a red wave on the 5 minute. So we are kind of in a bear trend. So I'm sticking with the short until we TP. Hopefully Johnny's gold trade also goes lower. Man, this is like watching paint dry. NVIDIA relative strength. Yeah, NVIDIA is the. I spoke about that earlier today. That NVIDIA is the pretty much only thing keeping this thing afloat. SpaceX had a good open too, but they've given it back. I think these Fed minutes are going to be really important today because the market's really trying to gauge where the Federal Reserve's head is at around rate hikes. There's, I think, around a 75% consensus right now that they're not going to raise rates, which is still a pretty big margin for error. So I think today's minutes could be very important. And we'll see today. We'll see today what the 2 p.m. does. Man, what a chop fest. I say this a lot, is that when the NQ wants to move against you, she does it so fast. But when you're waiting for a TP, it seems like it takes forever for her to go. God forbid you do the opposite, though. She will rip you apart. I wonder if OFMC, you mean FOMC minutes, is now having an effect. I think this, like I said, Kid Poker usually doesn't really have that much of a draw on the market, but I think today's it might be a little different, just because the market is really kind of uncertain about Kevin Warsh, and what where his head is at, and what he's going to divulge in the minutes. So I think maybe because it's his first one. That could probably be it. All right, guys, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to say a prayer for you guys and go, because it is 12 o'clock and I'm going to work on some other stuff. Wish you guys well here. Hopefully you guys can be on the right side of your trades. Don't forget, guys, if you want to check out the indicator, which we are making leaps and bounds improvements on. Right now, we're going to be releasing a second update pretty soon that's going to give you unbelievable entries and trades. So if you guys want to be a part of that and lock in the price while you can, you get a lot for the nominal amount that you'll be paying now. You can lock in a second indicator that's going to make your life so much easier. $77 a month, or cheaper if you decide to go a little longer, or only $7 for 7 days if you just want to test it out. $7 for 7 days. And the other indicator that we're going to add to it does not require you to have TradingView Premium, so that's going to be good for a lot of people who've been waiting for the Smooth Trader Concepts to not have TradingView Premium. It's going to be a big game changer. Also, guys, if you want to check out the prop firms I'm trading with, check it out. The prop firm matrix pinned in the chat as well. Apex, Trade 8, Tradeify, Lucid. Those are the ones I'm trading with. Check those out, guys. All right. Market is doing a little bit of a fake out right now, possibly. Or maybe a move to the upside. We'll see. Let me say a prayer and get this thing going. Father God, we thank you for today, Lord. We thank you for all of the wonders that you've done in our life, Father. We know that you are our one and only God, Father. And we thank you that you've given us the opportunity to do what we've done so far, Lord. I know that life is not easy, Father. Every day is a challenge. Every day is a struggle, Father. But I know that you give us the opportunities to shine, and you also give us opportunities to learn from our mistakes, Father. So we thank you for it all. Lord, I repent for my sins, and I ask you, Father, to always forgive me and allow me to start over fresh every day. Father, I pray for this community, and I ask you to look over their households, look over their health, their finances, and their well-being, Lord. I know not everyone here, Father, is a believer, Father, but I know that one day they'll have an opportunity to have a relationship with you, Father, and I hope they don't take that for granted, Father, because it is more valuable than gold, and more valuable than anything else in their lives. Father, I also pray you keep us safe until we meet again. In Jesus' name we pray, amen. All right, guys, take care. See you all tomorrow. I'll be here nice and early, around 9 o'clock. I'm staying short for the rest of the day here, it appears, so I hope we get our target hit at 28.8. But if we don't, it's okay too. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, guys.
This indicator called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 trades. Almost 6 trades perfectly today. Most traders are stuck guessing entries using lagging indicators that tell you what already happened. By the time you get the signal, you've already missed the move, or worse, you're walking into a reversal. That's not a strategy, that's gambling. So with this Smooth Trader indicator, not only do you get unbelievable take profit and stop loss levels, but you also get the triple Lindy, letting you know on 3 different timeframes who's actually in control of the markets. And then lastly, you also get the histogram here, which measures the delta, letting you know if buyers or sellers are the ones being tracked. So stop reacting to the markets and start anticipating it. Click the link below, get instant access, and see exactly how this works on your charts today. The traders using it aren't waiting, and neither should you.